Hello dear students, thank you for joining me. Today let's learn some basic sentences of daily routine. I am washing.
I am washing.
I am watering.
I'm watering.
I am running.
I'm running.
I am laughing.
I am laughing.
I am jogging.
I am jogging.
緊張感を持ち注視します。
I am watching.
I am watching.
I am listening.
I am listening.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am planting.
I am planting.
I am sewing.
I am sewing.
I am swimming.
I'm swimming.
I am shopping.
I'm shopping. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.